There is a major boost for Kumasi Asante Kotoko ahead of Legon City's game at Baba Yara Sports Stadium weekend night anyway. Ebe March day 29 of the Ghana Premier League. Kakra yetwa na Kumasi Asante Kotoko midfielder you signed by Coach Prosper Ogum in 2023, which is Michael Che Dramina. Finally, Coach Oguma confirmed as a player no are returning to full team training. But I say player in the last 8 games Kotoko Abono or out because of injury. But I say be a second runner no Kotoko Karela a fake cup ye koy and a sako away game. Na the same once a Karela for or more den pitcher no more bobo so na so Tamale Sports Stadium was a den no. Na eno na ma mobeka say onya sa injury na e ma ne call off into Michael Che Dramina the news enwumre abetodwa me so me blog bi ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko achitafo nyina atene say Michael Che Dramina say de Coach Ogum say no ho fully in the last 3 weeks na oye individual session training but ene which is Tuesday wa join team na one team ni nyina aye training, so it makes him available for selection ewo Sunday and I say weekend game eba so ewo Baba Yara Sports Stadium Kotoko any Legon Cities enebebo sa particular game no na Kotoko movie sa Kotoko win Kotoko ebeko 40 points, so ye mompa say Kotoko benya the needed victory ewo ho. Kumasi Asante Kotoko nsem no ewo ha de bia ye de bampa so o ta hweba o subscribe ya na wa hit the red subscribe button na wa bo adoma no so na ya build it together because I had no a hope for Kumasi Asante Kotoko stories full social media handles this nyina. Kumasi air boiling na crown so boiling coach your friend Watara watutu bia mane house of folk for empanyfo was a selling food di Maria di kan ka chance on the oko ontena na coach no has for management per se omudi players bi eba na ocho mu ze masa ono no omma management member bia emeto player ma no but san komo we no in a different day ebedi sa coaches back club ye mo all the power so mo nko anfa ngoto players na no coach no nko akoto na ye nwura e ho na effect ne ba no but o kiremu se wono pa so wo hoi enya de obetwe ama management member bia ato player man e ko ba sa de wan hwe kra nko be resign de metete no Accra Sufuku enya better sa o echina Wednesday omuni Accra Lions ye hwe de eno so ebekwa akosi currently House of Folk edda Kotoko echi 12 ye hwe de ebekwa akosi